हाय किड्स इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे कैपिटल लेटर A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Let's start. Colors name: green, orange, pink, brown, blue, black, light green, purple, sky blue, red and yellow color. Kids, this is letter A. Letter B. Kids, this is letter C. Kids, we are tracing letter D. Kids, this is letter E. Now we are tracing letter F. Kids, this is letter G. One, 2, 3. This is number 4. 5. Kids, this is number 6. Now we are tracing letters number 7. This is number 8. Number 9. A. B. Kids, this is alphabet C. Now we are tracing letter D. This is alphabet E. Now we are tracing letter F. Kids, this is letter G. Kids, this is number 1, 2, number 3, 4, number 5. This is number 6, 7, number 8, 9. Kids, read again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,